Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick project. This is going to be a watch cover, so something that slips through your watch straps and then flips over the face of the watch just to kind of cover it, protect it. You could do this for multiple reasons, keeping any glare off of it, keeping any light from shining if you're like under nods or anything like that. But also just kind of protect this if you're out and about doing something where it might get scratched or hit. So all you really need is Cordura. This is 1000D multicam black. And you just cut two pieces of this, and then some Velcro. This is also multicam black Velcro, and then just a little bit of this. So basically just gonna put these together, sew them together, just so you have the fabric on both sides and you don't have kind of the raw inside showing. So put these together, sew them together, and then a little bit of Velcro here and then here in the middle so that it can fold and close. So let's get that sewed together. All right, so for the Velcro strips, you kind of want 3/4 of an inch wide, not a full inch, just for, this spot in between the wrist strap slots is kind of, perfectly sized for that. And then, the loop side I want to be the same size. So just got those cut really quick, just kind of freehanded them. Didn't do anything crazy with that. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's got the, this would be kind of the right direction for it. So the watch is going to slip in here. This hole is actually for the heartbeat sensor or, pulse detector. So it's actually going to go, right over that. Forgot to mention that earlier, but just kind of a cool feature I wanted to make sure to put in this, just so that still works. So it's going to slip in through there. The watch face is going to go here. The band goes, through that, and then this flips over, Velcro's down, covers your watch. So let's put it on really quick and check it out. But overall, looks pretty slick. All right, this is what it looks like with the watch on it, in it. You can see the hole there for the pulse detector. Band goes through this side, band goes through this side. This slot is actually a little larger to account for, this bigger clip here and this. But then you just fold it over and your watch face is covered. And then when you need it, open it up. This is kind of what it looks like wearing it. It's actually really comfortable. I mean, this isn't like an all-day, everyday type of wear item, right? This is kind of more in the field, doing something. You don't want your watch to get scratched up, or you don't want the signature, but really easy to deploy, really easy to open. Check out your watch, flip it back closed. It's easy to open, didn't have to integrate any extra pull area. It does kind of want to, pull open. I did wear one of these on my last shooting trip all day. It was a single fabric. I didn't like sew two of them together. It was just one strip of 1000D Cordura. Held up great, worked fine. Opened it, closed it multiple times throughout the day. It never came open on its own. It worked, exactly how I wanted it to. But this was the final idea, was like, sewing two together so that, you have fabric on both sides. But pretty sweet. Hope you enjoy it. Free laser files on our website. Go ahead and grab it.